Thank you. Of course, there are so many challenges, we all know, but I think there are the solutions also already there in the challenges. It's always how we want to deal with them, how we want to tackle with them. Nothing is impossible. Where there is a will, there is a way. And then again, I will say it's not a matter of you and me, that it's mine or it's yours. The matter is how we're going to go towards the solutions, and solutions are there, as Mr. Fakhar already mentioned. The most important thing is when we talk about, as you have given the very right and accurate example of the China, we have different sort of systems over here, like we have our institutions where we can work along, we can take the best practices. When we talk about the startups today, we are sitting with everyone is mentioning about the Weatherwala or Bakhabar Kisan. Who are they? They are the youngsters. They came up with good ideas. Of course, they also have faced different challenges, but they are coming up with a solution. So the most important thing is to come out from the isolation, to come up and have the trust on each other. So one thing, and then when we talk about the plantation, as we talk, we all say that we need to plant the tree. But I believe that we cannot plant the tree, we need to plant the plant. And then to make ourselves responsible to take care of those plants, we can come up for the vertical, like, in globally, everyone is talking about the vertical farming, in the high-rise buildings as well, we can talk about that. We all know that COVID was a huge example. Climate change is also something, of course, we all know that we are the vulnerable country who is facing the challenges, and we have our very limited resources, but still we have the resources. And again, along with the NUST, I'm glad that Madam Secretary is also here. We have done different sort of programs in which we do talk about the solutions. So that's all how we want to channelize, how we can, like as I've mentioned earlier, that how private and corporate sector can bring the youngsters and to promote and to support the startups, all the young ideas, the new ideas. And we cannot say that we cannot compete. We can compete. If we can compete in the war, of course, with the very latest technology of other way around, we can compete with this challenge. But for that matter of a fact, we need to follow the actions and to help each other, to trust and to channelize. The thing most important is, the biggest problem is to channelize. As today we're talking about the solutions, so the solutions which come up from this forum. So then I believe that this people or the committee who is of this organizing committee, they should take the follow-ups, because doing the conference is not the solution. To do the follow-ups of those conferences, that is more important.
Thank you.